You're looking for some saddlebags for your XT250 and you don't want to go to the expense of mounting a permanent frame and racks? Well, stick around and I'll show you what I've done. It worked out perfect. Hi and welcome to another video. This one's on the XT and some modifications that I've done to it and things I've added. It's a wee bit windy out here today, so hopefully the audio is not too bad. I've added the Nelson Rigg saddlebags that throw over, and one of my concerns was this side. That side's got the exhaust, and after a bit of research I found out that the heat shield works very good on that side, so there shouldn't be any issues. But on this side there was nothing to stop it possibly flipping underneath. So I've put a tool tube underneath at the back, so I'll take a couple of photos, still photos, that make it a little bit clearer. But the Nelson Rigg bags, the 30 litre capacity, each side is 15. They zip down, have a zip right around, and they zip down to 12 and you unzip that and it expands out to 15 either side. I'm really pleased with them, but I won't go into a huge amount of detail. I'll put some in the description. The rest of it you'll find heaps of videos on the Nelson Rigg saddlebags. So this is on the XT250. Quick and simple, tuck them over. I've got one strap running in behind my rack and the other one over the top. I've got the Mad Dog seat pad on there, so it's actually nice and comfortable. I'm sitting more here, so I'm not actually feeling that strap. You've got one strap that runs down and just around the bar here. The second one is a variety of different ways of attaching it. So it's got a hook clip on it, and I've just got it running back up under the carrier. So it's a matter of releasing that, unhooking there, undoing there, and I can take them straight off, which I'll just show you. So release that, that hook drops away, release the buckle there, and I can take the bag off both sides. Right, the tool tube I got, it was about $29 on eBay. There's heaps of them out there, and it unscrews. It's waterproof. There's got a nice little rubber seal in there. So for mounting it, I wanted to have pretty much the same profile both sides, so that everything sat nice and even and square. I don't carry a pillion, so I've removed the front, or the rear pillion pegs, and I also removed the helmet lock, which I never use. So with a small piece of steel bar, just run it straight between the two, even use the existing screws. So it was a matter of drilling a hole in the bar each end, giving it a bit of a touch-up paint. And then with the tool tube, again, the brackets are all there. All you had to do is drill a couple of holes and screw it on, and it's done. It's quite a decent size too. So that will stop the bag going in underneath. I've got a couple of other shots that I'll do, showing from the top that how it sits all nice and even. And that's basically it. So lots of other bits and pieces I've done to the bike. I'll may do another video, but I do have one previous, or a couple previous, that have got some of the modifications on as well. So that's the Nelson Rigg gear saddlebags on the XT250. They pretty much fit in most bikes, but that's what I've done for mounting it either side. So just the little metal clip that goes on there, hooks back up into there and pulls up tight, and again attaching the strap. So that's how I attach my Nelson Rigg saddlebags. I've then can just put a bag across the back. I've got a nice waterproof one that sits on the back, and I've got these. I can use these on day use or going away on an extended trip when I need a little bit extra. So I hope you found that useful. Got any more questions, please put them in the comments and I'll try and find out any more information or give you any more information that I can. And we'll see you next time. Keep the shiny side up. Thanks very much for watching.